Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show that brings you the best press releases out of the small cap world every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investment. Now, it's Tuesday, December the 11th. I've got 7 great press releases for you today. The resources sector, after being dormant for about a week, has just exploded in news, but I've also got some great financial results and sales to talk to you about. So let's start you off first with GemTech. Trades on the TSX Venture Exchange under the stock symbol JTC. They announced a 3-year agreement to provide GPS and RF monitoring services. That's to a consortium of Canadian correction departments, or AKA jails, with a combination of GPS and radio frequency technology. It's a 3-year deal, and they're expecting to generate about $750,000 in revenue. The company's technology has been used to monitor over 20,000 community-based correction clients, which again probably means inmates and recent parolees. The company's trading at $1.26. That's at the mid-trading range for its 52-week trading. Over to the U.S., National Holdings Corp trades on the OTC under the stock symbol NHLD. They put out their full-year numbers for the year ended September 30th. Had some nice numbers here. Revenue up 24% to a record $72.8 million. Net income up 131% to $1.37 million. What does the company do? They're in the financial sector. They've got a couple of subsidiaries. In short, they've got a full-service national brokerage and investment banking arm, as well as an insurance arm that provides a full array of insurance products. They're trading at $1.60. Their 52-week high is $3.94. So at this time of the year, you've got to be cognizant about tax loss selling. Back to the TSX Venture Exchange, Roca Mines trades on the venture under ROK. They announced that molybdenum concentrate shipments have now commenced from their Max Moly mine. To date, shipments totaling 37,800 pounds have been purchased by Derek Raphael & Co., a UK-based moly concentrate trading company. Do some quick math here. Molybdenum is currently trading at $32 to $33 US. With some quick math, it comes out to about $1.228 million. Look for that in their next financial report. They're trading at $3.20. That's at the high end, especially when their low is $1.25. So they've obviously had a great move this year. Next up, Keegan Resources trades on the venture under the stock symbol KGN. They announced that their step-out holes and trenching continue to hit high gold grades, and these are some big numbers here. These are 12 new drill holes and 3 new trenches. I'm going to focus on the drill holes, and you can take a look at the trenches when you go to the press release. Drill hole 179 intersected 30 meters of 4.41 grams per ton of gold. Drill hole number 192, 37 meters of 4.12 grams, and hole number 184, 15 meters of 3.32 grams per ton of gold. They had some trenches. Results indicate that the probable resource area as revealed by drilling and trenching now exceeds 2.2 kilometers. I've got a nice quote here from Dan McCoy, President and CEO of the company. The results are very encouraging as they increase the size and grade of the gold resources at our ESPZF project. Keegan is getting closer to its goal of realizing a large, modern, open pit mine. The deposit continues to remain open along strike, down dip, and at depth. The company's trading at $4.33. That is the high end. Had a low this year of $2.22, so they obviously made great gains as well. Esperanza Silver trades on the venture exchange on EPZ for U.S. investors on the pink sheets under under ESPZF. They announced some pretty positive drill results. This from their 100% owned Cerro Jamil gold property in Mexico. Drill hole number 749. 75 meters containing 1.05 grams per ton of gold. So you've got a long strike length, low grades, but that's a pretty big strike. You've got 750, hole number 750 put out 70.5 meters containing 1.3 grams per ton of gold, and hole 754 yielded 69 meters containing 1.09 grams of gold per ton. How great is the drilling going? They've added a 3rd rig to the property early in December. 2 diamond drills and 1 reverse circulation rig are now on the site. Got a great quote here hear from Bill Pincus, who's Esperanza's president and CEO. The ongoing drill program is yielding excellent results. The drill intercepts can be favorably compared with many of the newer discoveries in Mexico. Pretty big statement there. The new heap leach test results support our earlier impression that this low-cost recovery method is a viable alternative for the development of Cerro Jumil, although further study is required to make the best choice. He went on to add, our first major feasibility objective is to complete an initial resource estimate in the first half of 2008. Definitely a company to keep eye on. Now, they are trading at $1.55. That's off their high of $4.25. We're in December. You've got to watch for tax loss selling. If you like these results, you might want to be patient and pick some up after your due diligence. Cornerstone Capital Resources and Thundermin. Cornerstone trades on the venture under CGP, as well as the Pinks, the Frankfurt and Berlin. I'm going to leave those out for now. Thundermin trades on the big board, the Toronto Stock Exchange, under THR. They intersected high-grade copper mineralization. That's from the Little Deer copper deposit in north-central Newfoundland. Hole number 0707, 4.5% copper over 8.75 meters, including 7.5% copper over 3.75 meters. Hole number 0706, 2% copper over 10.1 meters, including 4.2% copper over 2.8 meters and 4.2% copper over 1.65 meters. Some pretty nice and big numbers here. Cornerstone trading at 70 cents on the venture exchange, and Thundermin trading at 27.5 cents on the TSX venture on the TSX. Sorry, that's actually at the mid-range of their trading, but they have had a nice climb from 8 cents. That's Thundermin. And finally, back to the U.S. on the OTC. ANAVEX Life Sciences Corp trades there under the stock symbol AVXL. We don't report very much on life sciences sometimes. It's a pretty difficult space, and you've really got to have some capitalization behind you as well as patience and some great results. But their drugs are demonstrating chemotherapeutic potential without toxic side effects for the treatment of colorectal cancer and other types of solid tumors. That's ANAVEX's number 7, they call it drug 7-1037, has been shown to kill human colon cancer cells in advanced preclinical studies. In addition, it demonstrated an ability to significantly suppress tumor growth in immune-deficient mice. This is the company's lead drug candidate for the treatment of colorectal cancer and other types of solid tumors. The company's CEO there, Dr. Gonzalez, stated, toxicological studies in mice have shown no evidence of the side effects that are usually observed with anti-cancer drugs available today. And the company's share price, which is at 408, that's at the high end of its 52-week trading range, tells me it's well respected within the investment community and worth a second look from you as far as due diligence goes. That's a wrap. 7 great press releases for the day. As always, we'll post these to our blog. Come by and take a look where you can add some more due diligence of your own or just review the notes. And if you're looking for more great small cap companies, don't forget about the AGORACOM marketplace. We've got close to 80 companies now listed by industry and exchange, so you can find the ones best suited for your portfolio. Have a great day. Talk to you tomorrow.